You need to watch this if you struggle with managing hard drive space. This quick guide will blow your mind. First, in Windows, search for Create and Format Hard Disk Partitions and open it. You'll see the Disk Management window. Find your Windows C drive and right-click it. Be careful. Avoid partitioning volumes named System Reserved, Recovery, Factory_Image, or HP_Tools. Next, select Shrink Volume from the menu. A new window will pop up. Without changing any settings, just click Shrink. Now, you'll see unallocated space in Disk Management. Right-click this new space and choose New Simple Volume. Click Next in the wizard. Accept the default size and click Next again. Choose a drive letter from the drop-down menu, then click Next. Name your drive in the volume label field and click Next again. Make sure the quick format and compression boxes are unchecked. Finally, click Finish and let your new volume format. That's it. Your new partition is ready to use, and easy, right?